proud of myself actually for this booking.
Are you bringing me?
I don't know how I'm cutting it.
Wrap your arms under your legs. En cas d'urgence, posez vos pieds à plat au sol et appuyez le dessus de votre tête contre le siège devant vous. Ou bien, penchez-vous et appuyez votre tête et votre poitrine sur vos cuisses. Ensuite, saisissez vos chevilles ou passez vos bras sur vos jambes.
And Sylvana. Group together.
Please review it sometime before takeoff. Décollage.
If there is a need to evacuate the aircraft, leave your baggage behind and follow the seat-mounted lighting to the...
We made it to Italy. Currently in Naples, Italy, or we call it Napoli. Okay, we're at the airport. We landed.
We have to get our passport.
Yeah. The airport looks so small though. Okay. We got a transfer to our accommodation for the first time in forever. So the airport transfer brought us here early around 10:30 and then check-in is at 3 p.m. So we couldn't check in. That's why we had to change in the washroom here, and then we left our luggage in the storage. We paid €4 per luggage. We went around and now we're back here at 3 p.m. and there's like a line. And now everyone is checking in for the actual accommodation. Sylvana is standing in the line for the check-in. Now we are walking to our accommodation, 10 minutes walk. And it looks this street, this park, if you have been to Egypt, it looks exactly like downtown Egypt. Like, I don't know how to explain, but it has also two streets. This street here, and this street over there, and this is the middle part. Anyways, it's just like when you travel, you can relate some countries one to another, and I find this is a cool thing to do. Arrived at our accommodation. It looks so, I don't know, like this is how it looks, the street. It's kind of shocking. Maybe you guys in the camera don't see it, but us, we were kind of shocked. Look at Sylvana trying to sit. So how do you feel about it?
Bringing me? This is our hotel, guys. This is the accommodation we booked for us for 11 days.
I booked it, so I don't know what's inside. I don't know what to say. I forgot, but we made it to our building.
I'm so excited, guys.
Soon in accommodation, please.
Yeah, hopefully it's a nice room.
I booked stop to check. So we made it so far here, and Sylvana's trying to open it, and she doesn't know how to open it.
No, I think you put the passport here, but it's...
Now room tour time. So I just put my bag here. We have a closet, a safe. Actually, we have a fridge. Actually, this is so cool. We weren't expecting it. I don't know how to open it, but we'll figure it out. Oh, here. Cool. And then this is the bed. It's a double bed for me and Sylvana. We have, this is the washroom. So cool. Has toiletries, has a bidet, shower, towels. I'm so happy it comes with towels. I was so stressed for a second. Then this is a long mirror for OOTD check, a TV, I like that there is mirrors actually everywhere. And the balcony. Oh my god, I'm so happy there is a balcony. I didn't even expect that, to be honest. Wow, the view. Oh my god, it's so scary though. It's the 6th floor. So I'm like having an anxiety. Like, I don't have fear of heights, but this kind of height is kind of scary. Oh my god, you guys, it's so nice. I'm so proud of myself actually for this booking. I didn't expect it. Sometimes you book stuff, but you're not sure which room you're gonna get. If the one in the picture is right or not. You see reviews, some of them are negative, some are positive. But I'm so happy, I'm so proud.
Obiettivo e che condivido con ognuno di voi, che sono dell'idea che ogni momento è irripetibile e non sappiamo mai quando e se ci rincontreremo nella nostra vita. Diciamo che è un pochettino lo zucchero quando ti fai in laburo, prima le capi.
Now we're out for nighttime. We're gonna get pizza. I'm starving, so hungry. And the views are so really nice. So this is as if this is the heart of Napoli. It's really nice. I'm gonna show you guys. So we came all the way to this famous pizzeria, Miguel, and look at the lines. All these people are waiting. Oh my god. And we're starving. I didn't expect it. Downstairs? Ah, okay. Hello. Yes. So they have downstairs pizzeria, the most famous pizza in Napoli. So I'm excited. Thanks, guys. What did we order? Why? Do you think people will think we're so cheap? Let's be realistic. When the pizza costs 6 euros, one drink is 2.5. 2 drinks is 5 euros.
You get another pizza instead?
The water is 3 euros.
I have my own water.
Anyway, I'm so excited. I'm so hungry.
So cute. Look at that picture.
It's here and it's really huge. Like the table is covered by the 2 pizzas. Can't wait to try. Silvana's filming as well. It's me and the pizza. First pizza in Italy. How's it?
This is so good. It's super thin, the crust, and the cheese. It's dry.
The cheese is really, really good. And since it's pizza, so So usually, me and Silvana share a pizza, so we don't see each other how we're eating. But today we got two separate pizza. So look at her pizza. She ate all the crust. I love the crust. And look at my pizza. I have been eating all the middle part.
We're so different.
At least, okay. On the positive side, we continue each other when we're sharing.
Yeah.
Lesson learned, we only need to share. I love the inside. My crust. I'm dying. Look at Silvana fixing the TV at 1 a.m. Instead of sleeping on our first night. It's been 48 hours no sleep. I can't even open my eyes in the flash. But yeah, Naples memories with Silvana. And our accommodations hotel.